Hello and happy Friday and welcome to the Opto Minute, where we're going to explain what this diagram is doing. Here, Opto 22 Rios are being used to reject pieces of roof tiles that are beyond what their manufacturing requirements are. So the company is Intrinsics Imaging, and they help make sure that these roof tiles are made to the quality that they're supposed to be. And here explains a little bit of what that process is. You see this video moving slightly. They basically shine a light and then use a intelligent camera to send that information up to their analytics software, their AI-powered analytics software running on the AWS cloud. From there, if a piece does not meet the requirements, via MQTT, it sends information down to the Opto 22 Rios to reject that piece. Now, in this post, I'm going to add links to the Intrinsic Imaging website, to this case study itself, as well as some MQTT tools and more about the Rio. So thank you for listening and have a great weekend.